So my name's Colm O'Leary. I'm a dairy farmer from just outside Cork City. I'm milking cows in partnership with my parents, Tim and Catherine. We're calving about 260 cows split across 2 platforms, and we built this shed last year. So this is our first year in it. It's just commissioned, and we went with O'Donovan's Engineering for the gates. We're very happy with it. The reason we built the shed was, I suppose, a multitude of reasons. Number one being labour and just to get the extra help in the springtime. My folks are getting a bit older, and it just makes life a bit easier that there's no gate that has to be dragged shut or lifted to open, and everything's very easy to open and close. And we've also opted to put in an automatic calf feeder, so that's really taken a lot of the heavy lifting out of feeding calves once they're going on it. And we're also keen to try and push on our heifer calves a bit more to get them a bit stronger before they go out to grass for the season, and hopefully get a better replacement animal into the herd, and hopefully see an improvement in cow performance as a result of doing that. Another reason for building this shed was that, like all farmers, we see the regulation coming towards us, and we're afraid that, you know, all of a sudden we'll have to keep calves for even longer before we're allowed to sell the bull calves, and we just wanted to have a system whereby it wasn't going to put us on under massive pressure in the springtime to have to keep calves. So once they're on the feeder, look, it's an extra cost, but at least it's not the end of the world in terms of labour to have to keep them there for an extra 2 or 3 weeks. We're hoping to produce a high quality calf that's easy to sell out of the shed.